So welcome back to class, and here I am just going to be telling you how to get through to your jumpsuit. So jumpsuit usually starts from the actual waist, the normal waist. So you can use your pants, trouser, and make sure you extend your waist. This for jumpsuits, right? From jumpsuits, you're going to extend your waist by 3 to 5 inches. So this depends on what you have already used for your hip depth. Depends on what you have used for your initial hip depth. So if your hip depth normally is not so much, then you have to go up by at least 5 inches. But if you have your normal waistline already, so three inches is okay, it's perfect. In fact, you can use 2 inches to move up a bit, so that your bodice is going to join together with the waist of your trouser, and it's going to be a perfect one by so doing. All right, so the definition of jumpsuit is just your bodies together with your trouser being joined together, like they are being sewn together like that, and that is what we call jumpsuit. So you extend your waist and you extend your belt too, I mean the length of your trouser. So extend waist by 3 to 5 inches, and you are going to extend your trouser length too by 3 to 4 inches, because you wouldn't want a jumpsuit that is looking like a tablik kind of style. As a woman that wants something really free and nice, okay? But if you want it as a tablik kind of style, then of course you can go ahead and just leave it at your pants length. But if you want it really longer, then please just add 3 to 4 inches extra to give it that shape. And of course your belt too, you have to increase it. You can use 20 and above. You can use up to 30 inches, meaning that 30 divided by 2, that's 15, and you will just work it out just the way we have this pattern. If you follow this technique, you're going to get something really nice and fine. So for your shirt, it's very simple. Follow this same technique from top to bottom, then you're going to measure your shirt length. So the short length will determine what you now have eventually. So if your short length is going to be 18 inches, then you are going to measure your 18 inches from your waist down to something like your knee. Yeah, then cut it off here, and tada, you have your short knicker already. That's it. It's that simple. All right, so that is that about that. If you have any question, please go ahead and ask me. Thank you.